Hey, to open recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, first of all, we have to click and hold on this both buttons at the same time. And now keep holding when you have this power off menu. If you don't have this, just keep holding until your screen off, and then when you get Samsung logo with the rebooting phrase, you will have to release and quickly tap on this button. And as you can see now, we are in this reboot mode, and if we want to navigate, we have to click once on the home button. We have to select recovery and then click and hold it. And now we will enter for this recovery mode. We just have to wait until this screen change and give us the recovery mode. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how we can navigate in this mode. It actually looks a little bit different from the boot mode. So if you are not familiar with this gesture, you'll probably not be able to perform some kind of the reset and stuff like this. As you can see right here, we can navigate by scrolling with our finger up and down, just like this. And if you want to confirm something, like for example, I would like to simply reboot, I will have to click once on the home button. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel.